Hello everyone, this is Group 7 and we're here to discuss about data visualization in ServiceNow. Data visualization in ServiceNow is all about transforming raw data into meaningful insights. Instead of analyzing long tables of records, users can view data in a more intuitive way, through charts, reports, and dashboards. The main goal is to help users quickly identify trends, spot issues, and make data-driven decisions without manually searching through records. This is especially useful for IT service management, performance tracking, and process optimization. This learning module introduces the different data visualization tools available in ServiceNow. It covers how to create reports, build dashboards, and use performance analytics to track key performance indicators. By the end of this module, users will understand how to customize visualizations, share insights across teams, and make informed business decisions more effectively. ServiceNow offers several ways to visualize data, including reports, which refers to create bar charts, pie charts, trend lines, and more to analyze key metrics. Second is dashboards, a centralized view where multiple reports can be displayed for real-time tracking. Third is performance analytics, an advanced analytics with predictive capabilities to track progress over time. Fourth is Analytics Hub, provides deep insights to the trends and patterns with drill-down options. With these tools, users can turn complex data into clear, actionable insights, making ServiceNow not just a database, but a powerful decision-making platform.
So hello everyone, my name is Joan Claire Wamsley and I will be presenting reports. So reports organize, summarize, and present data to convey information in a meaningful way. Developers create reports for applications for many reasons, including identifying trends, monitoring field values, looking for outline data, tracking work, and viewing progress. ServiceNow's report types are bars, which compare individual or aggregate scores across data dimensions, pies and donuts, which show the proportions that make up a whole, time series, which visualize data over time, multidimensional reports, which visualize data using multiple dimensions, and scores, which visualize data as a single data point, and others. So, choosing a report type. The goal of a report is to convey meaningful information to the report consumer. Select a report type which conveys the required information in an actionable way. For example, if the goal is to identify a trend over time, a pie chart is probably not the best choice. If the goal is to identify the current state, a pie chart might be the perfect choice. First, let's access the Reports section. On the top navigation bar, I'll click on All and search for reports. So here we have a table displaying all available reports. So let's go over the key columns. So we have the title, table, type, field name, created by, and updated. If I click on a report title, I can open and modify it. Now let's create a new report. On the top right, I'll click on the New button. Then this opens a report creation screen where I can choose the report type, select a data source, and configure the visualization. After saving, I can find this report under My Reports for easy access later. So moving on to Report Designer. So Report Designer in ServiceNow's user interface for creating and editing reports. So users with a report or admin role can edit and save reports. So the report roles are Report Admin, Report alias Admin, Report Global, Report Group, Report Publisher, Report Scheduler, and Report User. The Report Designer has 4 tabs. We have the data, which is the data source for the report, the type, which is the visualization of the report such as bar, pie, or histogram, configure, which is report configuration based on report type, and the style, which is the report appearance.
Okay everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about how to configure reports in ServiceNow. Now how do we actually do this? First we have to navigate to reports, we create a new report, then we choose a data source, whether that be a table or data set. Then we select a visualization type, whether it be a bar, a pie, or etc. Next we define filters, groupings, and conditions. Then we customize display settings and then save. I'm going to be showing you how we can do that. Now first for the data, we input the report name, we settle on the source type and then table. Next the type of visualization. For this we choose the donut. Then you can configure your report however you want to. Then we're going to choose a style. After that we save. Now we're going to be talking about drill downs. Now, drill downs allows clicking on report data points to see details. Also breaks down summarized data for better insights, useful for analyzing specific trends and anomalies. Now, how can we create drill downs in ServiceNow? Now, first we open the report and go to the drill down tab. We define breakdowns, category by priority, etc. And then we enable deeper analysis of report data. Now, how can we do that? As we've created the report earlier, click this, then we add a drill down. After that, we settle on a drill down name. Let's say in pi. Then we select this and we select pi. Select next. Then we save the drill down. And then once we click on this, it's gonna show up this. Once we click on that again, it's gonna show up the pie chart. Thank you.
Good day everyone. Today, I'll be giving you a quick overview of sharing, publishing, and report PDFs in ServiceNow. First is sharing reports. Sharing reports prevents multiple users from creating the same report and provides important information to application users. Sharing reports allows you to control who can see your reports, and you can share reports with just yourself, with everyone, or with specific groups and users. To do this, open the report in Report Designer and click Share. If you want to share with everyone, users with report admin role can also limit access by specific roles. This is for everyone. Report developers with correct roles can select the Everyone option to share a report with all logged in ServiceNow users, all users with specific role. The same goes for groups and users. Report developers with correct roles can select the Groups and Users visibility option to share a report with members of a specified group, individual users. Now let's move on to publishing reports. How to publish reports. Published reports are viewable by accessing a URL instead of using the reports and going to View and /Run module. Publishing reports makes it easy to share a report via a direct link. In Report Designer, you need to go to Share and select Publish, but make sure the system's setting glide that report that publish reports that enabled is set to true. Once published,
Everyone, my name is
you
Tristan
can copy the
Sousa
URL
Vignan.
and
I'm
share
going
it.
to show you
You
all
can
about
also
the
unpublish the
overview of
report
scheduled
if you
reports.
want to disable the link later. As shown on the figures 1.4 and 1.5, share, export, and publish and unpublish options are given. And finally, the report PDFs. Process of PDF reports. Report PDFs can be generated for download or for distribution by email. You can export any report as a PDF. You just need to go to Share, then Export to PDF, and you can either download it right away or email it directly to someone, as it is just like shown on figure 1.7 and 1.8. For emailing multiple recipients, it's better to use a scheduling option. So sharing, in summary, lets you control visibility, and publishing makes sharing fast, and report PDFs are great for distributing snapshots of reports. Thank you for listening.
Scheduled reports. These are automatically run at a predefined frequency and emailed as files to a list of recipients. Scheduled reports formats are CSV, XLS, PNG, and PDF. So in creating a scheduled reports, the first thing you need to do is to head over to your ServiceNow browser window, use the menu or all menu to open reports, and be specific on the scheduled reports. Click the new button and create a schedule. Configure the scheduled reports and follow the indications or what shows on the screen. After it, you can test your schedule report by clicking the Execute Now button. Schedule reports, notification recipients. Let's talk about the recipients: ServiceNow users, groups, email addresses, and the user fields. This section highlights recent updates on notifications. The user field identifies who received the schedule reports. To edit the list, click Unlock User Lists. Also, this is optional by the way. Enter a script to define when the report should run. The script sends the answer variable to true or false. If false, the report won't be sent. For example, a daily report can be prevented from running on weekends. On-demand charts. Users can create bar and pie charts from lists. Bar charts display categorical data in proportional bars, while pie charts show in data sections of a circle. To get started, simply hover over a column. Click the column options menu and select your preferred chart type.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ernesto Cañete Jr. I will be reporting percent complete, threshold and targets, adding report to form. First, I will be discussing about percent complete. So this is one of interesting features of ServiceNow in terms of reporting capability. And as you can see in these pictures, it shows the progress of completions of particular activity. Now I scroll down, you could add field right below, which is percent complete. Once you manage to add the percent complete in the field, then automatically the object will type will automatically give you that capability. Well, as you scroll down, it also give you the features. Also add like field in list right going to the upper right. So where there's personalized, let's basically add it, targeting it from left to right, and we also give you that in progress bar. So in this sample, here you see that the number of basically appears, so that top is form view, list view, basically give you that bar resource. So this is very helpful for visible people like managers. The next lesson we talk about thresholds and target. You will see that the lower right, where percent complete is squared by color orange. You will find there that it representing different color depending on the status. So you could fully manage it representation depending also the data type. In the previous learning, we added field of percent complete and make sure it's there. So those attribute needs to be configured. So we'll see as configure its progress, it will give color coding. This. You will see here that the value against the date and the remaining work is that needs to be done. So as you can see, you drill down or come into the list right on high level, you will see the progress, and you could need like notify someone or inform the manager in there is any disruptions and interruptions that is basically occurring a particular time. So in this example, you will see that it spoke about the values. So next is adding report to form. If you go to design form and go to field types, there's a type chart that you could basically drag into a sections that will basically allow you to display a form. And of course, the type will not be enough. You need to put a name and also configure it, so that correct data will be displayed. And also scroll down, you will see here the basically done. So we're going to put a name how to display it. So it is give you to hide and table to reference the form field. And I scroll down, the data can be filtered out using reference qualifier. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I am Ken Alonso, and today I will talk about ServiceNow Dashboard. So, what is a ServiceNow Dashboard? A ServiceNow Dashboard is a centralized interface that consolidates and displays data from various sources within the ServiceNow platform. It enables users to gain insights, monitor key performance indicators, and make data-driven decisions through customizable widgets and reports. So, this is an example of a ServiceNow Dashboard. These are the widgets and interactive filters. So, dashboard widget. So, a dashboard widget in ServiceNow is a modular component that displays specific types of data within a dashboard. So, these are an example of a dashboard widget. So, a pie chart is an example of a dashboard widget. A bar graph is an example of a dashboard widget. Click all, search for dashboards, and after that, will be redirected. So, these are the example of dashboards. So you can create new dashboard, and then you can add your name, sample dashboard. Add your dashboard name. So you can also create a description, for example, dashboard description, and then create new dashboard. After creating, you'll be redirected to this tab, and then you can edit your dashboard name. Also, dashboard tab. So what is a dashboard tab? Uh, a dashboard tab helps you organize multiple dashboards, and you can easily switch between different dashboards for various use cases. So dashboard tabs, you can customize layouts, modify the arrangement of widgets and panels for better usability. So you can add a new tab. You can also add your tag here so that you can identify it. Dashboard 1, this is just an example. Dashboard 2. So you can also delete the tab. After that, you'll try to add a new element. You can add a new element. Dashboard settings. So we have to add a new element. So we'll try to add a widget. So new visualization or save visualization. So you can reuse an existing visualization from the data visualization library, or you can start a new visualization from scratch. So we'll try to click the save, and then we have to try to add something like this, and then we have to add to dashboard, and then it will load. So you can see, as you can see, this is an example of a widget or a visualization. So you can add yours from scratch, new visualization. You can try to choose what visualization type. So you have time series, bars, scores, pies and donuts, multidimensional charts, and other. So you will leave everything as it is, and then header and border, data source. So data means this will be the basis of your data visualization. So you can add it. We'll have this example and add to the source. And metric, so count AB visualization. So we can also sum average. So try to apply it as an average, and then after that you have to save it.
In summary, data visualization in ServiceNow helps turn complex data into clear, actionable insights. With reports, dashboards, and analytic tools, users can make faster, data driven decisions. Mastering these tools enhances efficiency and streamline operations. Thanks for watching and see you to the Grand ICT Congress.